Morning, good morning.
No, I don't know.
Don't know either. Just found this other nice little spot here. I'm just going to go down and check it out and see what it's like. Nice motorhome there, babe. Can't wait to get ours, Mum. Check this little spot out here, see what it's like. Look nice on the pictures.
This must be way back home. 2 hours, €7.
Is that what the parking is? Looks quite decent though, doesn't it?
Haven't been parked.
Should be though. Some little mad stores and that in there, doesn't it?
Mad swimming pool, I think.
Oh, there's a swimming pool there, is it?
Yeah.
Check it out, we'll see what it's like. See if we can park here, no. You can't, can you?
No. You have to go here early to get parked.
Oh no.
To see that really quick.
No way. See if we're going to struggle to get parked here. What do you think? Them seem happy to park there, like.
I wouldn't even want to risk it.
No. We've been there, we've come back and the car's been towed, like. What about there, do you think?
Reserved.
Oh god. It's a problem when everything's in French. We'll find somewhere.
You definitely don't cater for English.
No, to the hell. Beautiful. So you hear them little boats there, no? Little speedboat things. You're having a shot at them. You can go down the river quite far. Cheers. Got loads of little hidden gems, like France everywhere you go. For us, we've got to go to the Lake District and stuff to find places like this. Nice fresh water, clear lakes and stuff. Nice rivers. I can't see the missus, see if she wants to go and hire one of them boats. Should be a good laugh. Let's clear this water to be fair, like. I've got my paddle board there in the corner, so I might grab that. So I might just can't see how much you ought to hire. See if it's taking mine out. Beautiful. Be brave. Be brave, mate. Go on. Come and walk with Daddy.
No.
Alright. It's not too deep, look. Daddy can stand up, look. It's not deep. Daddy's sitting on his knees. Woohoo! Yeah? You're just living your best life, aren't you, mate? Yeah, you got your armbands, yeah? Yeah. Oh, come get Daddy's hand.
No.
Ah, ah. Good. How are you then? Woohoo!
I like saying it.
It's lovely, isn't it?
It is. It's just what's it for?
Yeah.
Just with the the life jacket,
Yeah.
he can go in the third area.
In the third area.
He is not allowed with this.
All right. So is he just in the first one here? The second.
And second. Yes.
Second one. Perfect. I'll be staying with him in anyway. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
How are you then?
I like sand.
All the fishies.
Let's go get it. Let's go get it back.
Yeah. Now you can cross over here. You're allowed to come in this one here. You can't go in the third one. Steady sand. Woohoo.
Let's go in that one.
We can't go in that one because you're just little.
How about people live?
Yeah, that's where the boats and that go. Look. Oh, lovely. What a beautiful spot.
I want to win. That's less people.
Yeah.
I slip.
You slip, it's okay. Actually, a lovely little find those days. Well done. It's beautiful, yeah, man. Absolutely beautiful.
Dad,
Yes, sir.
I want to stand up in there.
You can. Hi. Oh, what a lovely. I know. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful, isn't it?
That's a quick one.
Yeah. Oh, a nice little park up, thank God. So we're stuck there for a space. Here's Corvo, Chemin du Patis. Another find of my lass. Little patchy PT head there. This looks cool, doesn't it, Lucas, mate?
Yeah.
This looks good, doesn't it? Swimming pool, yeah, and the beach and everything. 5 hour walk? What do you mean a 5 hour walk? What's a 5 hour walk? 5 hour walk? The maps will be playing up there, man. 5 hours. Walk. Walk to the Eiffel Tower quick, hasn't it? I know, it's cool, yeah, isn't it? Looks alright to be fair. French Bon Jovi. Wow, look at little forest, look. It's where the goblins live.
Wow.
In there, look, this way. Do you want to go and see the goblins? Eh?
No.
Why?
This is fine.
This will bite you.
Dad, you'll go check one.
So you want Daddy to go and get bit? That's nice of you. Such a caring boy, aren't you? Wow, look at this, look at this.
I'm going now.
Bouncy castles and everything, mate.
I'm going Hello, I'm going there now.
You want to go in there now? Eh? Wow, look at bouncy castles we get. Look at the water. Ooh. Yeah, how we just snuck in. Yeah. Oh, look at that man who's swimming. Look at the red sign there. Oh, there's people over there swimming there. Must just be like an interesting area where you can't swim. Eh? Oh no. Getting crazy cold and everything. Boy, Yanni. That is, aye. Aye. Oh, look at the swimming pool, Lucas. Yeah, you can go in that one, yeah. I know. It's like our hot tub at home, isn't it? It's a giant one, mate. We just snuck in there. Hello there.
Do you pay to get in here? How much?
It's 8 euros for
Yes.
adults.
Guys, Chris Wild. See you, Mum. Look on camera.
Bye.
Now I want to go back in the hotel. Now let's go back in the hotel. Dad, I want to go back in the hotel. Dad, look on your camera.
Hey, you see some videos, mate?
Yeah, there's my dad right over there. Since you fall in the water.
I do something.
There's the other baba on the boat, look.
Hello.
Wait to the babas.
Hello. Dave, you
Look at
got
that man, they got their own jetty and everything, man, there for this. Wow, man. Can you imagine having this for your back garden, man?
My God. Look, that's a boat, yeah.
I know.
It's stuck.
Man.
That's like no again.
Are you had a nice holiday, mate? Eh? Oh, shit lips. You had a nice holiday?
We'll be showing up. Big boat.
I know. Your Willow's going to be like, wow, isn't she?
Yeah.
My Lucas has been on a boat.
Lou's got a whistle.
I know.
Hello. Oh, I got my whistle.
Your Lulu's going to be like, wow, Lucas, isn't he?
No, Mum, Dad,
Yeah.
Lou's think, wow, look at my whistle, black one.
I know, isn't he?
I see, Lucas, which colour is it?
I know.
Me, black.
Uh-huh.
It's not black. Lou Fox's house now.
It's a house now, yeah?
There's fishes there, so sharp.
I know.
Yeah, that's a car.
Yeah, there's a bridge for the boat to slide down, isn't it? Into the water.
No, that's a fox slide.
That's the croc slide.
No. Fox one.
Oh, the frog. It's better than road like it when we go to Durham.
Yeah, I think so, Dad. I think so.
No,
Dad,
very good, like.
I think so, dude.
You think so, dude?
Yeah. Look, another boat. Look, a boat.
Mum just chilling out there getting a nice tan, are you?
Look at that. Look at that, Dad. Dad, look,
You
a
know.
boat for ya.
Yeah.
That's what I said. Oh, actually, I bought by myself.
On the French Riviera.
Oh yeah. Is that what you're telling Instagram?
Yeah. I just need a bottle of Chardonnay.
That was
Oh.
here. I will sit here.
Yeah, you know.
I will sit
Some
here.
strawberries.
Yeah.
Dad, I help.
Oh, when you come and see her.
I don't want to drop it.
Oh, in. Hey. You steer the boat.
Here, boat are
What do
we?
you say? Say, aye, aye, Captain.
I am Captain.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Go swim, Dad. Dad, I'll do it. This way, this way, this way, boat. This way. That way. No,
Don't you?
Dad, change your boat.
This way.
This
Spin
way.
the, look at you, spin the wheel that way. Yeah, see? It'll turn that way then, won't it?
Yeah.
There we go, see? Turn it that way. Woohoo!
That way. I like driving boat, Mum.
You like driving the boat, mate?
Yeah.
I want a sugar bowl.
Okay,
What?
let's keep it in a straight line.
Mum said there's my boat here.
Keep it in a straight line
I've
now.
gone from chilling, we need a seasick tablet.
Let's keep it in line. Got my body.
Alright.
That's it. I'll get it. I'll get it.
Go on then, son.
I'm living in Paris.
Dad, the road to Jackson.
Right,
Yeah.
you sit on there, look, you sit on there.
I'll try.
Oh, and turn it that way.
Go to the other.
Keep it in a straight line now.
Are we? No, Dad.
There's two boats coming now, look, wow. Look at that for a house, man. Sitting area on that one. Oh, look at this boat's fast. Look at that.
Mine is slow.
Look at that.
That's
Oh, here's the waves. Oh no! Whoa!
Shit! What the fuck?
fucking the waves.
Oh man!
What the actual hell? I was chilling. What's it doing?
Jelly comes right out the boat.
I've got a life jacket on, I can't swim. 1 minute, I'm getting rocked about.
I get my whistle on.
You was rescue.
I whistle rescue now.
So rescue.
Rescue, rescue.
What the hell was all that about
Oh,
there?
no.
Christ, I thought the boat was going over. You're crying tears.
He done that on purpose, didn't he?
That didn't he?
Yeah.
That's fun.
I just wanted to ruin my French holiday.
Didn't he?
Dirty
Shouldn't have said that. He would have just got catapulted out.
You've actually got tears, I think it's fucking hilarious.
Stupid waves.
Yeah, I love it.
I don't know it.
I was literally chilled. They've got their own rafts out there in their garden.
Yeah.
That's stupid waves last night. Oh, that was
There's a bad
Dad.
That's it, isn't it?
Dad.
That'll be a paddle boat. Are you waving? Waving, Alice? Yoo-hoo. Say hi.
Hi. You right?
Say bonjour.
Butcher. Woohoo. Dad. Dad.
Yeah.
I don't freeze.
Eh?
I don't want to freeze because wait, wobbly.
No, he made me wave. He made me wobble, didn't he?
Yeah.
Like, oh, look at that. Look at it. There's a big swan. Look.
28 degrees back home. Even like that.
What, 28? Look at it. It was?
Where was the one?
Oh, shit. Oh, look at the heron. Look at the bird. Can you see the bird? Look. Look.
What's the call?
It's a heron.
Hi, Helen. Woohoo! And nice.
I don't know.
It's big noses.
They've got big noses.
Yeah.
A big beak.
Yeah. Whack, whack.
Yeah.
Gonna go around.
Want to go this way?
Yeah.
Happy days, man.
Say that, Dad.
What was it? An hour? Half an hour each way?
Dad.
Yeah.
Dad, I told you to
That's sound,
say
innit?
that.
Yeah.
And like that.
Not bad, that for what we paid, was it? What did you say it was?
No, it's like
35 quid. No, that is it.
security deposit.
You want to go and sit next to your mummy and have a look and see if you can see some fish?
No.
You just want to hang around with Daddy, don't you?
That was that.
That's what to make it go faster. No.
Dad, I'll go faster, please.
This is as fast as it goes, mate.
What?
This is full speed. You know your dad, mate, he's not going to be doing half revs.
That's not speed. That's slow.
I know, because your motor, son.
Beat the horn.
There's no horn.
What?
There's no horn.
Why?
It's just your whistle.
Like that.
Yeah, like that. I'm glad we come here now, man. It's a stunning place, man. Good find.
Oh, pick the best spot.
You did.
I want to sit here now.
Thanks to ChatGPT.
If it was up to your ma, if it was up to your dad, mate, we'd be jumping off big cliffs all day, wouldn't we?
Aye.
Yeah, the
You know when a half
silly
drive
dad.
to do 5 minutes in the lake.
That was because he was whinging.
Dad, show you. Like, go that way. Hello, Dad. Still have water.
I know.
Still have water.
Yes!
Let's go speed.
See if you can see any fish, mate.
Look, dragonfly. Oh!
Up, here's the waves. Up, up, up.
That's the wave. Hi, wave.
Your man's boobs have just done the Mexican wave.
Hey.
I go back this way. I
Yeah.
go back this way. Round and round about that.
Ooh.
I go round and round about.
Round the roundabout. Ooh. What we're going to do for the rest of the day, mate? You want to go to the pool?
What?
You want to go to the little pool?
Yeah.
Be on your slides again.
Let's go, man.
You love your slides, don't you?
Yeah.
We're going to go on a different slide today. With Daddy. We'll go on the yellow slide.
Yeah.
No.
With
No.
Daddy, with
No.
Daddy, with Daddy. Daddy, you come here.
I don't want to.
Yeah.
I want to go now.
Yeah, we'll head there now. We'll go and take the boat back. Got another half an hour on the boat.
Bye, Liz. Let's see. I'm taking food on me. I need my shoes off.
Oh, I can't wait for to get my boat at home now.
I need my shoes off.
This will let me just be my life, won't it?
I need my shoes off. It's so horny. I need my shoes off. It's so horny.
Yeah,
I need my shoes off on there.
yeah.
I would put it right here. The one race together.
Yeah. What's that in your gob? Little baby boss. Uh-huh.
When I school, my feet are hot, man.
Oh, your feet hot.
Hello, Wade. Look how we
So they'll be able to drive an orange con to another night on that pool.
Is she? So don't just cut the holiday short. How long did that?
If I want to,
Well, will they due to leave tomorrow night?
yeah, just can't do any more.
I don't blame her, to be fair. I don't blame
No
them.
pool or anything, I've been trying to cool down.
Oh,
No.
I have my hair like the with
Right, Lucas. See, I see you all at the swimming pool.
Dad, a wave
What do you
compliment.
say?
Dad,
Say please like,
Dad,
like,
Dad,
share and subscribe.
like, subscribe. Dad,
Say bonjour.
Bonjour.
Hello.
Yeah.
The papa's on the paddleboard, sir.
Hello.
Oh, so good talking, yeah. This is cool.
Go on then, put your foot in.
Oh, like that.
Come on. It is a go on, please put a crocodile in them. Just one crocodile, that's all I need. You want to jump in, man? You wouldn't jump in. You wouldn't jump in. You heard. You heard. I said you wouldn't jump in there.
I'll float down.
Aye.
You see?
Yeah.
Okay. Like, we have. Yeah.
Ah.
Look at
Nearly back
crocodile.
now. Nearly back.
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Crocodile.
What?
Look. Snack, snack.
Ah, mummy tricked you.
You do what?
Mummy pranked you. What do you say about that?
I've just got the middle finger.
What do you say about that, mummy pranking you? What do you say to mummy?
You
She's a little dick.
know failure.
She's not fair, is she?
Look, there's a badger.
Yes. Wow, look at this, a giraffe.
What?
Ah,
You know what?
you're a rat.
Blow my whistle.
What's that meant to do, Lynn? Little mug.
Oh, sure.
Look. Look. Little mug lips.
I want to look at that tree house, man.
So we're going to have a look at the tree house.
What?
We'll have a way about, was it? Get that down.
No, no, what?
You're a naughty little rat.
Oh, look! A tree house.
No, it's not. You're not pranking Dad.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Dad, look.
Look at these bigger ones there, look.
Where?
There, look, 2 big ones. Look, you see them? Look. Look at that one there, look. I know. You'll never catch them, mate, they're too fast. Look at this, 2 here, look. Look. Wow, look at this road there, look at all the big ones here.
Where? What's this?
Look,
Let's go now.
you can't go in there, son, you can't go over the barrier.
Why?
Because that's the speedboats go there.
Let's grab some.
Alright, let's go and see Mummy, tell her we can get a boat. Hey, hey. Cool, eh? Take her out. Is this good, mate? Hey. Just hired a little boat here, cruising down the river.
Let's ride. Let's go get us.
It's cool, isn't it, mate?
Mum, don't fall in the river.
Mummy's not fall in the river, don't worry.
On Sunday,
And if she does, mate, we're going to leave her. Then we're going to have McDonald's every day forever.
Mum.
The water's beautiful, isn't it?
I like that. Cool. That I like it.
I do too, they're good on it.
all them lily pads.
I know, that's where all the frogs live, isn't it?
Yeah. The fox live in here.
I know, in the lily pads.
And say whippy, whippy, whippy.
Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit.
Look over, go tree down.
I know.
And that one, and that one.
The mum loving life. The mummy loving life.
Look, that's a fox house. That looks like that's a fox. That's a fox house and a bird's house.
I know,
That's one.
that's
and that's
right.
one.
Does my Lucas want a little turn of the boat? Do you not want to steer the boat? Eh? I mean,
I
stop picking your nose, you little tramp. Get that finger out that nostril. Hey, look at that. Hey.
Can you drive the boat?
I'm gone. I'm too strong.
You're too strong.
I'm too strong.
I'm only going out 35 quid there, 45 euro.
No, that is it.
Oh,
It's a good little find again. You're doing well, you, aren't you?
I am on that.
My wife, my secretary, my accountant.
Where would you be without this?
Don't leave me.
I
Dad,
might
don't,
not work, but I've got a full-time job with you.
Oh,
Dad,
I haven't you just.
Dad, don't leave, Mum.
Mummy can't work, she's too busy looking after us, isn't she?
Mum,
Yeah.
I wanna go. I like our home.
You think we might see a crocodile? Think we might see a crocodile?
Yeah.
See, don't be silly, Dad, there's no
Look.
crocodiles in here.
Look at here.
There's no crocodiles, and I'm just kidding.
That's so cool that way.
Yeah, this will be lovely to get the paddleboard out now, wouldn't it?
Dad, see, that will move. That will can't get stuck. That was to only move.
Yeah, I know.
Yay, that one can't get stuck, man. Man, Dad, that one can't get
Well,
stuck.
imagine living there, man. Having that, this is your back garden, man.
Mum and Dad.
Wow.
Mum and Dad.
I don't think I'd want to work either, like.
Can't get stuck.
There's the camping chairs.
Eh?
There's that chairs in my garden.
I know.
Mum, don't put your feet in.
Amazing, right?
Mum, don't put your feet in. The crocodile will bite you.
Can't you?
I know,
It's not my balls out.
Yeah,
I know crocodile will get you.
Good for you.
oh, I know. There's a tree house.
There.
You could build you one of them and you could move in there.
It's an actual tree house.
That's wicked, isn't it?
It's over off the thunderstorm.
I know.
I feel old. I feel crocodile shot.
Yeah.
I feel with
Look at the papas on the paddleboards too.
what?
Look
That's
at the
small.
size of that little girl.
I know.
The two. Mine's bigger.
That's class, isn't it? Just taking your little daughter on the paddleboards.
That's bigger. That was silly. That was bigger.
I know.
Mine.
I know.
That was brand new. Yay!
Yay!
Mom. No, watch out! That's really close there.
It's called a swan, yeah?
Is that a goose?
Say hi, swan.
Hi, Swan. Is that goose so small, mate? That goose small. That how we stuck together. Nah.
You know?
No goose
We're absolutely jinxed with balls. That's like.
You have the best of times there, Lucas?
Man, Woody.
Is it good? You have the best times?
Yay.
Are you living the best life?
Yep.
Yep. You little sausage. You little sausage. You little sausage. Little sausage. Oh, love you.
Mama, thank you.
Beautiful, wasn't it? Yeah. What for the swimming pool, mate? Idiot, you mate. Proper little idiot. Little sausage. There's a little starving moment. He's a good feed, that kid, doesn't he? Yeah, we're going to chill in the pool, mate. It's too hot, mate.
Look at pool here.
I know.
But I want to go baby one.
I know you do, because you know why you want to go in the baby one? Because you're a baby. Baby Lucas Pipe.
Oh, not all working now.
Oh, the brilliant. Looks pretty empty, the theatre, to be fair. Happy tears.
I will take that
Go on, go on, Oh, and wait, you're here. Yeah! Right, go on down the slide. Go on then. Right, go then. Is that good? All right then. Woohoo! Good? Is that good? Yeah. Oh, let Daddy cool down. One, two, one, go, go! Woohoo! You had fun? Yeah, you're getting dead brave on the slides, aren't you? Oh, wait, well, last day of the morning, babe, before we head home Saturday. That's been great, man. Definitely recommend anyone bringing the kids here, man. Nice little holiday it was. Got a random week of all. Only planned it on Tuesday. Got back from offshore and I was just like, let's go. Found a nice pub here. Serves lots of English food. See what it's like. Got Burger King, you've got a big shopping centre and everything over there. Looks nice, this place though. We'll check it out, eh? How are you? How are you? Looks like this could be a change of plans. The France game's on tonight, all the tables are reserved. Burger King it is by the looks of it, eh babe?
I don't even know if I like Burger King.
Burger King, Lucas? Nah. Oh, look. Hello. Cheers, pal. Yep, looks like we're going to eat here. Got to be out by 7:30.
8:30.
8:30 did he say? I thought he said 7:30.
8:30.
Oh, 8:30. Oh, that's alright then. Food looks nice, yeah. What do you want to eat, mate? Chips, I thought so.
Guess what?
What?
To do.
What?
Pina colada and sex on the beach.
Do they? Are you loving it? Yeah, definitely, man. Looks nice, doesn't it? Happy days. Let's get some scran. Let's get some scran.
I'm not good.
It's nice, this, eh, mate? What do you get, fish and chips? That burger looks crazy, mate.
How do you eat that?
Corners. It's nice, wasn't it? The service was really quick, wasn't it? What's this place called? EU Bruyette.
Yeah.
It's like your party sports bar. Nice, man. I have no idea what that is, by the way.
Something about jam bomb, which is ham.
Is it? I just seen on the menu, it looked nice. The burgers are
Don't
decent.
take my teeth out.
How mean you eat your food, son?
No, Dad, don't. That's mine.
I know it's yours, mate. Chill out. That's us all nice and full. Gonna head back to the campsite now. Chill out for the night and watch the France game. That was spot on. That food, €58 for all that. Whew, we're absolutely stuffed. We'll head back to the campsite now and chill out for the night. And we'll see you again tomorrow.